Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use the DID platform, and you might be hearing my daughter in the background, but that's okay. So first of all, you want to be logging into that website studio.d-id.com, so you can log in. I've already done that step, so it should be quicker. So there's a free trial you can do. From there on, you want to create video, and then as you can see, that's where you can write your script. Choose the language, the voice, and the style. So I've used something else before, which is the add function, but that's okay. Let's use one of the standard one. Let's say this person. Create a script. Explain what is pharmacy social prescribing. So I'm using ChatGPT, yeah. That's my daughter. She's helping with the video. But here you go. That's the script. You can click the button here. Yeah. And then I will paste it here. So let's use a free one. How do I go for a normal one? Using a premium voice. So choose a basic one. That's not premium, of course. Let's go for Jenny. And then preview. Okay, let's go for simple then. Welcome to MetaPharmacy. Yeah, so let's try. Script generate video. Yes, good. Welcome to MetaPharmacy. Okay, then you click generate video. Untitled video, but let's try it. Generate. That's my daughter helping with the tutorial.
Welcome to MetaPharmacy. Welcome to MetaPharmacy.
So then you can download this file. It's MP4, which you can then add to your own metaverse. And I'm going to do it right now. And I go to another scene, profile, studio, the one I created earlier on, edit, asset, upload asset, click on drag, download, rename, welcome, and then the first thing I want to do is very important is save. Then of course you can move it around, you can scale it. I think it'd be the green button. Yeah, save again. And now I'm going to go to the scene, close it, and mute the site.
Pharmacy. Welcome to MetaPharmacy. Welcome to MetaPharmacy. Welcome to Meta.
So as you can see, it loops. So as you can see, it was looping. So right now I've created a script using DID, which was 3-second limit. 20 word, right? But that was just an example for you to play around. So if I want to create another one, for example, let's say I wanted this one. That's a premium voice. Change it to a main. Okay, Jacob. Let's say this is a proof of concept for the hackathon organized by 10 word for the pharmacy hackathon. Generate video. So generating. So as a reminder, you can put your own video of you talking, or you can get video from YouTube, which is fine. So yeah.
This is a proof of concept for the Pharmacy Hackathon.
Et voila. Then remember I was telling you about, you must rename it. Do rename it. Like this one will be welcome to. And then of course you can put it in the scene. So yes, that's how you can create some very eye-catchy using ChatGPT and then DID. Before you could do more than 10 word, which is okay, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, that's just some way of doing it, to play around with DID, ChatGPT, and so on. So yeah.